free FFmpeg API. So you must be working on some kind of workflow and you are trying to merge images with audio or merge small videos into one big video or try to split your big video into small. For any kind of use case, you require an FFmpeg capability, and you don't want to go through the hassle of installing it on your own server and then utilizing it. So, what's the best way to sort of utilize this capability from with the use of an API and do not get bothered with all the nitty-gritties underneath for installing your own server? Right. So today we will be looking at this service. It's called Eranol.com, and they have the most generous pricing for FFmpeg API. They have free credits also. So once you register your account with them, you get a dollar credit. And with this dollar credit, you can actually um, process lots of content with it. So let's have a look. So I have this um, empty workflow where I'm going to merge some images with my audio, and then at the end I have a surprise for you. So keep continuing. All right, let's get started. So if I click on start, I am going to continue with my Google. Okay, so I am logged in now. So as you can see, I have already got 100 credits into my account assigned by default, but you can easily go to your billing section here and then top it up with whatever amount you want. They have some savings with higher amount. So if you get a $30 credit, you will have a 3200 credit, basically 1 cent for each credit if you go with $5. Anyways, so the first thing first, I have to create an API key. So I'm gonna say Anadin workflow create. This is my key. I'm gonna go to my Anadin, and then I am going to, let's say, create an HTTPS request. And then here I want to send my header using the API key this. So let me first go to the documentation of the API. So let's click on the browser API and let's click on the documentation. As you can see, the API endpoint is this, and then I have to send the API key using the X API key in the header. So I'm just gonna go to send header value, and then it is X API key. I'm gonna copy it, put it here, and then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna copy this, send a post request to this endpoint, no authentication here, and then send a body with JSON. So I'm gonna use that. Now, as you can see in the JSON format here, what it is expecting is the width and height of the video you want to generate in this particular use case. This is a merge use case. And then you have to send the URL of each image you want to create video from, and then the duration for which this image will be shown on the video, and then you send the audio URL and audio mode, video length, and then transition for the images, fade or anything, and then you also have a background audio URL, and then the volume for the background URL. So that's pretty good. And then what it does, it sends a request and then it comes back with an output of a job ID with the status. All right. So in order to send a request, then I am going to use JSON, and then I have created JSON here. So this is very simple. Some images here, audio file I've generated with Fel AI, the background music, and the volume of it. Okay, that's good. So this is my first request. So I am going to send this request, but then once I send this request, I'm going to wait for a while. Let's say 5 seconds. Yeah, that's good. And then after waiting for 5 seconds, I want to check the status. So I'm going to duplicate this request, and let's say okay, let me do it like this. Let's say I'll go back to the API documentation and then check how I can do the check of the status. So it's a get request with the job ID. So I'm gonna go back to the request here. I'm gonna put it like this. And then obviously the header, we don't have to send a body because it's a get request. And then we have to send the job ID here, right? And then I want to make a check here. So if I receive a status and if I go back, you see that the status response back is completed. So I check for it and then I get the results here. So if I go here and then say status is completed, uh, and then we will be going to drag the status here. So if it is completed, true. If it is false, not completed, I want to go back in the waiting cycle here, and then again check it, and once it is succeeded, I want to get the output. So I am going to duplicate this one again, and I will say um, once I have it, I will get the results. Again, a get request with the job ID, and then it actually get me the final URL of the output file. So I'm gonna say, go back to the documentation here, copy this for result, come back, say here, and then job ID will come here, and then exactly same thing. Okay, so now let's run this workflow. Let's see what happens. So I click on execute workflow. So this has executed it and now it is waiting. I'm sure it will fail here because remember on this one we didn't had the status ID. So I will drag and drop the job ID here at the end. So I'm gonna do that like this. So now when I run this, it will wait for a second and then it will pass. But then also we have to, the if statement will fail because remember there is no value to compare. So I am going to do status completed and then I'll run it and then it says yes, it is completed. It's fine. So now here in the result, I just have to get the job ID again. So I'm gonna click on expression and then get the job ID. Perfect. And then run it here. Perfect. And then it will get me the final output. Now this is the final output of the image. So let's open this in the browser. I spent 3 years drowning in 5,000 pounds of wow. Interest debt, but I cleared every penny in just 9 months using a trick so boring I almost ignored it. Most people try to hustle their way out of a hole. Okay, so basically what it did is it kind of created the video for this audio and then it put the background in there with the volume 0.2. So it's amazing. So it's very easy, and then when you go to your dashboard back again, you'll be able to see the usage, which is pretty straightforward here. No credits charged for status and output, only 10 credits charged for merge API. Straightforward API keys are there, and simple. You can just go and get things done. So this is a free FFmpeg API by Eranol. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and peace up.